Okay, we will finish this one. 2023 October, November, paper 23 lah. We are now almost finishing. Okay, we are at 7A. We have completed 7A, state Ohm's law, 2 point. Current through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across the conductor, provided the temperature of conductor remain constant. Right? 1 mark each. A battery of electromotive force 6.2 volt as a battery and negligible internal resistance, no internal resistance, is connected in the circuit to a uniform resistance wire. This is a uniform resistance wire. A voltmeter is fixed, a fixed resistor, voltmeter, fixed resistor, and a switch as shown in figure 7.1. The resistance wire has a resistance of 18 ohm, 18 ohm, length 0.94 meter, cross-sectional area given. The slider S is positioned halfway along the length of the wire. S is a halfway. Calculate the resistivity rho of the material of the resistance wire. Right? You can see resistivity is very popular question. You come out, look like every paper, whether in paper 1 or paper 2. Just write the formula. Resistivity.
Yeah.
Resistance is 18 ohm. Cross-sectional area 7.2. Length 9.44. 0.94. Calculate it. Ohm meter. The switch is open. State the reading on the voltmeter. Right? Halfway resistance is equal. So it's 3.1. No? Okay. Any comment?
No.
Okay. The switch is now closed. State whether there's an increase, decrease, or no change to the current in the battery. Any change in the current in the battery?
Increases because resistance decrease.
This one they just state only lah, no need to give reason lah. But it will help you lah if you know the reason. Right, that resistance becomes smaller. No? So total resistance becomes smaller. So the current increases. No? Voltmeter reading? Decrease. Okay, because the total resistance across the parallel resistance has decreased. So the voltmeter reading will decrease. The switch remains closed. The slider is moved along the resistance wire so that the voltmeter is 3.1 volt. On figure 7.1, mark a cross X on the resistance wire to show the possible new position of the slider. Right, there's a marking scheme. Mark it here. 3.1. Okay, any comment?
No.
So it's towards the other end. Cross mark on the resistance wire to the right of the arrowhead of S, but not touching the right hand end. Okay, as long as it's not touching, you get your 1 mark. The circuit in B is altered by changing the battery for one of the different EMF. The switch is open. The student records the data of the resistance wire. Current 0.93 ampere. Main drift speed of charge carrier given. Number number density of charge carrier is given. Determine the charge Q of the charge carrier in the wire suggested by the data. Right. Memorize this formula.
1.1.
So you got 1.1 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. With reference to the value of Q, explain why the data recorded
Charge cannot be less than.
yeah, charge cannot be less than 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So something is wrong with the calculation or something is wrong with the question. But that's the reason they want you to know charge is quantized. Right? Or other reason, they accept different answer. Nuclide magnesium is an isotope of magnesium that undergoes beta plus decay to form a new nuclide according to the equation. Four numbers are missing from the equation. For the nuclide, state what is represented by 23 and 12. What is 23?
23 is a nucleon.
Nuclear number 12. 12.
Photon.
Photon number. Okay. Complete the equation. You have a computer for you. Mark yourself if you got it correct. State the name of the group or class of fundamental particles to which the positron and neutrino belong. What's the answer?
I think it's leptons.
Say again.
Leptons.
Lepton. Okay. A radioactive source emits particles from the nuclide when it decays. On figure 8.1 shows the source the variation with kinetic energy of the number of particles emitted. State how figure 8.1 shows that the nuclei do not undergo beta decay. One energy only. Yep. What is
That
your
I don't
answer?
know.
Say again.
This one I don't know. Is it because of like the range of kinetic energy? Is it? I'm not sure this one.
Beta decay usually involves three particles. So the
Uh-huh.
beta particle has a range of energy, continuous range of energy, whereas alpha is a two particle decay. So it has only one energy or two energy, that's the most.
Oh, I
The
see.
emitter particle have a single kinetic energy. That's your observation. Or beta decay have continuous range of kinetic energy. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Let's go to the new one. Turning now, speaker on. Okay, 2024 May, June, paper 1222. Okay,
Huh?
are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the answer. What's the answer for this one?
C. C.
C, okay. How about this one?
Uh, either B or D. I think it's D.
Basically,
Donkey.
you want to get percentage 8%. So it will be 2 times of this one, plus 4 is 8. Oh. Donkey, correct? Oh. Work mentally if you can. Okay. How about this one?
As it moves upwards, air resistance.
I remember it's moving
Increases.
upwards. So air resistance opposes motion is the same direction as the weight. So that is your acceleration or resultant force. Right? Just take cross multiply. Ma is the resultant force. A, air resistance decreases as speed decreases. So also the resultant force. Okay. Any
Okay.
comment?
So
Be a bit louder. Can't hear. How about number 4?
D.
Donkey, correct?
Oh shit. Yeah.
Wrong. Velocity
Uh,
is the rate of change
wait,
of
because the thing says rate of change of distance.
cannot be a change of distance. Distance is a scalar. So velocity is the rate of change of displacement. You can see that Cambridge is not
Oh
consistent.
yeah.
The
Yes, yeah,
definition
can.
for velocity is the change of displacement per unit time. Right? They tend not to use rate anymore. But in their question paper, sometimes
It's
they
not
may
wrong.
use that. Okay, so I suppose they will not mark you wrong if you put rate. The old definition is rate, rate of change of displacement. Okay, how about this one?
On B.
Taking downwards as positive. Write down what is given. Use the equation. Taking downwards as positive again. Right? This one, you have changed it. You want to find S. Time is 0.5. So you use the same equation. You got this one. Then half gt squared equals to L. Half gt squared is okay. So answer is Boyle. Okay or not? Anything not clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
This alternative way of doing things. Right? Basically, you get use this formula to get the equation, and then S1, and then S2, then put in the value. Okay, what's the answer?
Boy.
Either area of trapezium or area of triangle plus rectangle. Okay, boy. Okay, what's the answer?
C.
C, okay. Total kinetic is reduced. Total momentum is conserved. Momentum is also conserved in any collision. Okay, how about here?
A.
Estimate of no passenger, 2000 kilogram. If you can remember it, good. If cannot, calculate like me, I cannot remember. I calculate out. Lor. A, okay, good. How about this one? Change your mind, what is happening? Lor? Yep, what's the answer?
D.
Taking to the right as positive. Change in velocity is final minus initial. You get a negative sign. Negative sign is to the left. Lor. C, okay. How about this one, number 10?
A.
Change your mind, what is happening? Right? This ball is this pellet is embedded, and then the total total mass is plus 0.1. Right? Sorry, these two plus together, so it's 0.1 kilogram. Then we move the velocity u, and by conservation of momentum, there's initial momentum. Right? This one is 0, and then 0.1 times u, taking ours as positive. A, okay. Any comment?
No.
Okay, which diagram represent a couple?
Boy.
Okay, good boy. Couple, two parallel equal forces acting in opposite direction to each other, and line of action different. How about this one?
E. Cat.
Say again.
Cat.
Let the length be L. It's your choice. I can call the whole length L, or half the length L, and this 60 degrees, this 60 degrees. Taking moment about the hinge. That's your hinge. Clockwise goes anti-clockwise. Right? That's 2L. F, F sine 30. That's your clockwise. Perpendicular force is for the component that one there. And then anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is this one. Right? Perpendicular will be here. So it's L times 3 sine 60, which perpendicular component is here. And look it out. C, okay, good. How about this one? This one is a repeat question that came out earlier.
Donkey.
Okay, donkey, good. How about this one?
Sorry, I got C.
Huh? That's the equation. The constant. This is the initial one. This is the final one. Calculate your F2. And power is F times V. That's your F2. Your F times 40. That's the 40 from here. Okay, good. See about this one. Efficiency of the slope.
D.
Right? Efficiency is energy output or energy input times 100%. The donkey, okay. Any comment or anything not clear?
No.
This is an old question now. Came out years ago. What's the answer?
A.
This is the initial one. This is the final one. Okay, good. A. How about this one?
Boy.
Right? Imagine, have in your picture in your mind, what is happening. Boy, okay, good. How about this one?
C.
C, okay. This one?
Wait. Yeah.
Say again.
How does the plastic deformation look like?
No, plastic is a
I
curve
mean, how
already.
does it? No, I mean just
This
now,
is
just
still
now's question
elastic
18.
deformation.
Question 18.
Huh? Question 18.
Question,
Question
yeah,
18.
because not plastic one.
Plastic is after y. Y is the elastic limit. X is the proportional limit. So as long as it is below at elastic limit, it will still return to its original length. Only after y, then it will come down.
Oh, okay.
It won't return to its original length anymore. Okay,
Yeah.
about 19.
C.
Right? Go to Young's formula. Right? Take all the constant to one side. We don't bother about 1/4 and pi lah. Right? This is 1/4 pi d square. So we have L, they are the same material, same E, stretched by increasing force, same length. So take all the constant out, then we got a formula. C, okay, good. Yep,
Double D.
D, okay. This one, D is basically oscillation, simple
Highest
harmonic.
frequency is towards the man, and when swing is at Y.
So what's your answer?
C.
Right? At Y, Why this one is have to do with oscillation now. This is zero velocity or zero kinetic energy. Y is maximum velocity. As the charge is at maximum velocity at y. Okay. Yep. Yep. Any comment?
No.
How about this one?
E.
Okay. Good. D. How about this one?
B.
B. Okay. Okay. 24.
Sound waves cannot be polarized.
Okay. B.
Those waves string cause longitudinal waves. C, I think.
Okay. C. This one is a repeat lah. Came out earlier years.
C and D.
Right? Go to the formula and then you want the equation y equals yx. Right? Compare with the equation of a straight line. Gradient is nm a. 27.
Donkey.
Chơi nhà máy đó. Donkey. Okay, we got 10 more minutes. Okay or not?
Yeah.
Okay. 28.
Yeah, I got D.
Right? Remember the formula? Take the constant to one side. This is a new one. This is an old one. Donkey. What's the answer for this one?
9A.
Okay. What's the answer?
D.
C.
Okay.
Any comment?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
C.
Donkey. Yeah, your resistance is V over I. V is constant, so you want I the smallest to get the largest resistance. Okay. How about this one?
C.
This is the original one. This is the new one. C. Okay, about here.
Oh boy.
Okay, good. That is contains. Okay, how about this one?
A.
A, okay. How about here?
Donkey.
Okay. This one?
A.
Yeah, A has the largest current. 37.
C.
B, okay. Yeah.
A.
Donkey. Hadron
Oh.
is your neutron, your proton. This is made out of quartz. So. Okay. How about this one? Yeah. Go with number of alpha decay first. So. Because A is constant for beta decay. Alpha decay, A decreased by 4. So go with A first. So. Right? The nuclear number, there are 2 alpha. So if it's 2 alpha, 84, 2 alpha decay will go to 80, but this is 83. So it means 3 beta decay. Right? Beta decay, A is constant, Z increased by 1. Okay,
All right.
what's the answer?
C.
Okay, C. Okay, let's go to paper 2. What's the answer for A?
Yeah, paper 2.
Joshua. And then B is that's your definition for intensity. Put in your value. What is given? Calculate out. 10.
Mm.
Okay, 10. Or need me to
Yeah.
explain further? Can
No need.
This is formula. Area of new panel is less. So input power of the new panel is less. The input power of the original panel is original power as intensity is constant. I is constant. Use that to explain the formula. Useful power output is unchanged, so efficiency is greater than the original panel. Okay, Can?
Yeah.
Which one is not clear?
It's all right.
Okay. Using figure 2.1, state the terminal velocity of the sky driver, right? Where it becomes constant, no? That's the terminal velocity. No? Right? Read it carefully. Use a ruler to help you. 39 meters per second. By drawing suitable line on figure 2.1, determine the acceleration of the car driver at time t equals 9. Just draw a tangent. No? 9 is about here. Draw a tangent. Touch the curve. Roughly this angle is the same. And find a big triangle.
One.
Okay, they give you a range of answer 0.9 to 1.1. Okay, any comment?
Yeah. No.
Determine the magnitude and direction of the acceleration of the car driver at T1. Right? Motion going down, mg is going down, air resistance, opposite direction. Okay, can?
Yes.
Can?
Yeah.
Anytime you will be finished already. Lah. So all the best to you. Lah. Remember to check your timetable properly. Don't, don't miss your class again.
Okay.
Okay, any comment?
No.
Okay,
Mm.
okay or not? I go fast because it's
Yes.
going to cut off anytime now. Yep, 10,
Yeah.